The next component is the ultrasonic sensor. So we are using the HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor module. So it is having the 4 pins, mainly VCC, trigger, echo and ground. Then we also have this transmitter and this receiver. So basically how it works is the transmitter sends the sound waves, and the wave hits the object. I mean the waves, when it hits the object or any obstacle, it will reflect back. So the receiver will receive the echo. So the sensor will calculate the distance using the time delay which is received. So that's how this ultrasonic sensor will work. So for our project we are using two ultrasonic sensors. uh, so you'll see the connections later on. So we have to connect this VCC and ground to the 5 volt and the ground to the Arduino, and the trigger pins to the digital pins, and echo pins to the digital pins based upon our code. So we will see that later.